Hi, I'm Bianca, and this is Flora and Fate, where I take you along to discover cozy, charming towns, scenic escapes, and quiet moments in New England and beyond. Today we are visiting the ice castles in New Hampshire, a seasonal winter experience built entirely from ice. Even during the day, the landscape feels alien. Towers rise from packed snow, archways curve overhead, and layers of frozen walls catch the light in pale blues and whites. The ice castles are rebuilt each winter using thousands of icicles grown by hand. Water is sprayed, frozen, and shaped again and again, slowly forming massive structures. No two seasons look exactly alike. The final shape depends on temperature, weather, and time, which gives the space a temporary, almost experimental quality. Walking through the castles in daylight, the details stand out. Ice walls show ripples and ridges, frozen in mid-motion. Some corridors open wide, while some are narrow, in winding passages that twist and turn. Sunlight passes through thick ice, bending and scattering, so the space feels bright without ever feeling warm. The scale can be surprising. Ice towers stretch higher than expected, and walls curve in ways that feel unfamiliar, more like something geological than decorative. It's easy to forget how carefully built everything is, because the structures feel closer to a frozen landscape than an attraction. What makes the experience immersive is how enclosed it becomes. Ice surrounds you on all sides, reflecting sound and light differently than stone and wood ever could. Footsteps crunch sharply against the snow, voices echo briefly and then disappear. The outside world feels distant, as if it's been muted by cold. As we walk away, there's a clear sense that this place exists only for a short time. The castles will melt with the season, leaving behind only the memory of walking through something that won't last. This is the kind of winter experience I love sharing here, fleeting, textural, and shaped entirely by the season itself. If you enjoy discovering quiet moments, seasonal places, and hidden corners across New England and beyond, I would love to have you here. Until next time, stay curious and stay wild.